Hello, my beautiful glam style family. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli and I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing today. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my house tour for this Valentine's 2022. And I will also be sharing with you a tip to make your house smell amazing without any harsh chemicals and with little things that we already have at home. So here we go, a very Valentine's house tour, a glam style. As you can see, I have my Lysol spray bottle right there, and there's only a few changes that I've made around the house, which you will see right now, but for now I'm just gonna be quiet and let you enjoy the tour, and then I'll be right back. So for the tablescape, I decided to leave this one for now, but for Valentine's, I'm going to be using the paper plates because honestly, I don't want to have to wash dishes that day. I just want to enjoy it. And then over here, as I was doing the tour, I saw that my apron was dirty. I actually let my daughter use it and she didn't tell me she got it dirty. She just hung it back, but I will eventually have to wash it either today or tomorrow. And then over here we have the coffee station. As you can see, it's pretty much empty. We finished all the sugar cookies and the little hard muffins that I had bought, and I had to put those zebra ones. They're actually pretty good, which they probably won't last long either. And as you can see, like everything, like I said, is pretty much empty. I still have a little bit of the chocolates that I bought, a little bit of the marshmallows, and a little bit of the Reese's Pieces. I didn't want to fill it back up again. I figured I'd just wait for spring and redo the whole thing. Then right there I have that pickle jar, which I'm going to be using for a DIY. So if you have one of those, make sure you save it because we're going to be doing a DIY with that little container. Okay, so this is one of my favorite parts of my kitchen. Like, I've always wanted one of these little baking stations. I don't bake a lot, but I want to learn, so this inspires me more to try to learn a little bit more about baking. And yeah, so I love that. Okay, so here I have this pot that I bought at Amazon. It was a whole set, but let me tell you, the quality is horrible. Like, it didn't even last me a month, and look how bad it is. But anyways, that's what I have, so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to fill it up with water. Right here I have about 6 rosemary stems, 10 cloves, and 1 cinnamon stick. And I also have a mandarin orange that was about to go bad, so I'm going to repurpose it so I don't just throw it away. I just wanted to show you how it looked before I cut it down to pieces. This is a great way to repurpose your fruit if it's going bad. That way you don't just throw your money away. Okay, so here I have it all cut up, and I wanted to show you how bad it looked from the inside. And this part that's like all rotten, I'm gonna throw it away. And then I'm gonna place all the ingredients in the pot with hot water. And yes, you guessed it, we're making a stove top potpourri to make our house smell amazing organically. This is an amazing way to get rid of all that smell of food that we usually do after cooking. This is what I do all the time because I hate the smell of food lingering around my house. Anyways, my dolls, this is it for this video. I hope you guys like it and try out this stovetop potpourri. Trust me when I tell you, you guys will fall in love with the smell. Rosemary smells amazing, and then when you combine it with everything else, it smells even better. Let me know in the comments if you do decide to try it. Love you, my dolls. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.